Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you a tip that I just learned about ButcherBox that has made it worthwhile for me to use. And that tip is that if you go to cancel your ButcherBox account on their website, they'd like to know why you want to cancel. And they give you some options that you can check. And one of them is that it's too expensive. And if you click on that one, they will give you a new offer that's 40% more meat for less money. And it ends up being $120 a month, but you're getting 40% more meat, they claim. So I've been doing that for the last couple months and I have been extremely happy with it. It's a variety pack, so you're gonna get chicken, beef, and pork, but you get a lot more of it for less money. So my initial impression of ButcherBox was that it was too expensive for the kinds of meat that I liked. I especially like tri-tips and chuck roasts and things that I can use in a rotisserie or the sous vide. And those specific cuts of meat just seem too expensive. For example, I can buy tri-tips at Costco, much larger for less per pound, already marinated, and I much prefer that. Also, I can buy chuck roasts at Safeway on sale for a lot less per pound. So in those situations, it's better for me to just go buy it. However, with this new box, I'm still getting some of those. I'll still get tri-tips and chuck roasts, but I'm paying a lot less for them. So I guess it's okay now. So that's my recommendation to you. If you feel the same way, definitely try that out. It's been working great for me.